Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm your boy Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're taking a look at an interesting knockoff game, Super Crash Bird. And let's take a look at some of the video here. Okay. Yeah. This is a knockoff of Crash Bandicoot, which is freaking amazing. Man, back in the day, Crash Bandicoot, when did that come out? That has got to be about 20 years ago now. Yeah. It looks like Angry Birds fused with Crash Bandicoot. Let's take a look at the game. Absolutely free to play. Not even any pay to win. We're good. And what you want to do is you want to collect, well, you want to survive, and then you want to collect candy canes. Now, one difference from Crash Bandicoot we got here is the sprites are definitely different. The sprites are definitely different, but the gameplay is the same. Now, I can't tell if they actually took the background. Oh, come on, give me that thing. There we go. If they actually took the background from the original Crash Bandicoot. Took me a while to get used to this. Now, in the original Crash, you could... Oh, shoot, I was supposed to... Oh, well. Anyways, you could do the spin attack and get anything within your... Anything you could reach, you could destroy. But here it's not quite that way. I wish you could use a remote for this. For obvious reasons. But anyways, in this, you can only break one block at a time, regardless of how many are within your area of effect, which is unfortunate. But still, I can't get over the blatant rip-off that this is. It's hilarious. Like in the original Crash Bandicoot, all of these boxes would be broken. I got a squat option, jump option. Whoop. Anyways, I got a squat option, a jump option, and then a strike option. I wonder how good Crash Bandicoot would have been if we had to use these buttons. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there aren't even any advertisements on this. But this can take some time. Oh, I guess I better get those candy canes. Actually, I've honestly not made it this far, even in the original Crash Bandicoot. Never really played it. When I got into PlayStation, I was in it for Final Fantasy VII. No! Since it was Final Fantasy, I thought it was going to be great. Man, Final Fantasy VI came out, it was the best. And then Final Fantasy VII, I was like, okay. Final Fantasy VIII, I was also like, okay. Final Fantasy IX is pretty good, and after that, I was like, nah. I actually had to give up video gaming for a while so I could get the ladies. Back in the day, even though everyone is being inclusive. Hey, what the hell? There you go. Nobody liked the gamers. Oh, I swear there's a delay. I swear there's a delay when you hit the buttons of about a second. No! Should have struck him. Oh well. That's just life, my guys. So they definitely stole the level design, but I just can't tell if they stole the actual level. Okay. No, I didn't have the momentum. Gotta move that up there. Try this one more time. It's interesting. It's kind of surprising how hard this can be. Yeah, I jumped way too early. Oh, that's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. No, there are advertisements. Alright, well anyways folks, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech. That's like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it, and as always, take care of each other.